All the time, you unlock your knees. Yeah? Oh, hindi, said do it. This is lock. Okay, you see my knees? This is unlock. Yeah. So, when you slide to your right, you unlock your knees. Okay? Now, when you slide it to your right, then you scoop down. Definitely, this is lifted. Okay? You lift this one. Then, now when it's lifted, you slide to your left, you scoop it downward. Yes. Yes. And yes. Yes. Feet on the floor. Do not do this. Do not do this. At sinalakad sa ele. Yes. Yes. Awkward leg na muna, pero Timio status ase.